Hello everyone. So I recently bought the Tecno Camon 19 Pro, but I'm having one problem with this thing called security plugin that's preventing me from enabling developer options, of which I'm a developer. I'm trying to debug my Android application, but now I can't because of security plugin in admin. Let me just show you. It'll be much easier. So as you can see, usually if you double tap, if you tap multiple times on the build number, usually it's supposed to give you developer options, but in this case if I tap it, as you get, it tells you blocked by admin. If you click learn more, it tells you device admin security plugin. I can't deactivate this thing. And if I go to security, advanced, and then device admin, as you can see, I can't activate this. On this one it works as it's supposed to, but on this one it's not. So if anyone knows how to deactivate this thing, please let me know. Yeah, and it also prevents me from doing a factory reset on this smartphone. As you can see, reset, erase all data has been grayed out. If you click it, the same thing again. As you can see, this is Camon 19 Pro, which was recently released by Tecno. Yeah, I've tried texting them on their Twitter handle, but nothing. It's been a few days now. There's no feedback actually from last week. Yeah, nothing from them. No feedback, nothing.